You search for how to buy shares of Expion360 Inc. Expion360 is an industrial technology company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker XPON, and this clip is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. To buy XPON, you need a brokerage account. We'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker XPON to locate the listing quickly. Select the result that matches Expion360 Inc. to open its asset page. On the asset page, review the basic company profile and the price chart to confirm you have the correct Expion360 Inc. listing. Verify the ticker reads XPON and that the market shown is NASDAQ. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review the order details and confirm to place the trade. If the market is closed, the order may execute when it reopens, and if you don't have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. After the purchase, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro with more information is available in the video description.